I am making a weekly review because this week I didn't do any screen recording. I was trading on my phone than on the computer. So on the week we're up $10 because it counts from the 13th. And here on the 13th it was Sunday night. So Sunday night I traded the gold and silver and the 14. So from Monday to Tuesday I traded UJ because out of this trades right here I blew up my account and I was down $33 I think total, or 35, something like that. Then I took this trade over here on UJ, and Wednesday night I added more money to my account. So then we were back on the SPX on Thursday. Back in the SPX on Thursday, and we traded on Thursday. Yeah, so Thursday we had a green day on the SPX, and Friday we also had a green day on the SPX. So total for the week, including Sunday night, we were up $10. It's great. On gold, pretty much we overtraded. We were buying and selling here, which made no sense. I was actually up. I went in one of these trades just to earn a little bit so I could be back on the SPX. I was up a little bit, like I think $4, and I didn't take profits, and then he went against me and he started over trading, wanting to make something happen, pretty much. So right here on this trade, I was up about $4. Yeah, about $4. Didn't take profits, and then he went and took me out of my stop loss. And I bought it again, and this right here, no good. And this buy, I got in at 72, and I held out this to take me out on my stop loss, and then I shorted right here, went against me. I shorted over here again, and I couldn't take the. Yeah, I don't know. Took me out on my stop loss and a break-even stop loss, and then he sold off. I also traded on silver. On silver, I only had one trade. Funny thing about silver is that once I shorted over here, it went up and down, and then as soon as starting to, it didn't even break out yet, but I couldn't take the pain of losing anymore. So then I went ahead and I manually closed the trade, and look what happened. So I know this one I bought. What? This is wrong. Because here says that I bought, but then I short sold. Oh no, this one was afterwards. Wait. What the heck? Oh, right here. This is, never mind. This is old then. This from the 07. This is from Tuesday. Holy moly. From the previous week. Yeah. So yeah, so this right here was done on the 7th. So it's in the 13th. But this right here, this was done on the 7th. This one I cut it for minus $9. But then look, take profit, 59,900. Price, 59,449. All I had to do, I didn't, bro. So the other one was on the 13th. And I bought 8. This one was after all this gold trades. Wow. But yeah, all over trading stuff. But this is for Friday. And this right here, this was here was then Wednesday night. Yeah, Wednesday, just about midnight, which Wednesday. Take profit 7572. My last one 7548, which was close by. I guess we're shorting just a little too early. But this was just a midnight. Oh. And then this here was in the morning. The first trade was a FOMO trade. Then it came back down. After I saw this candle starting to wick, I went ahead and bought it again at 32. Took it all the way up there. Went up a little bit higher. On that one, it did go above my take profits. 7,755,777. 57. Went a lot higher. Went up 67. So you went 10 points above my take profits, but then I took profits. Actually, yeah, I took profits market manually. Then he created his 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 put top over here and sold off. And this was in the afternoon trade. I attempt to get in again over here. Didn't quite work. It did work. Yeah, shorted twice. One for -$3, the other one for $4. And then the next day, which was Friday, I saw this double bottom right here with the 945, literally. It was literally like a 945. Then I watched this whole entire thing. Did not take any trades over here. Because I didn't want to. I had my stop loss, my thing all set up over here for me to take a trade. But I just couldn't press the button. But then he just went. And that produced it. Just right here alone. It produced it 59 points. So 50 plus points. And then I start shorting over here, shorting and shorting. So I've shorted 4 times. It did kind of work. It did kind of work, but it was one of those things where you short, move your stop loss to break even, kind of take you out, then you take your profits, kind of that thing. And then buying over here again. Yeah, short, and then I bought over here, took me to break even, but took me. Then I short this one, this topic, quintuple top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And snip 2 over here. It's getting on my nerves. I just finished recording, doing the screen recording for my just didn't finish doing my screen recording for my trade reviews, which was about 15 minutes. I am making, and it only recorded for 12. Like, I don't get it, man. Well, good thing you only record for the 12. But yeah, I was just saying at the end that we're still out here trading, still taking the trades. We may not be doing screen recordings, but we're still trading from our phone. I'm still taking my screenshots, still posting on my Instagram. Yeah, let's keep on trading. Let's keep on getting better. Keep on learning from our mistakes and continue doing it. Day trading is a journey with never ending. So there's no rush. As long as you continue showing up, continue learning, that's what matters. I love you guys and stay profitable, my friend.